Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn from Jessica Lynn Original Studios. Today we are going to go look at a haunted yard. This is called the Nightmare on East Vogel. It's located in Cudahy, Wisconsin. Basically they take over 4 full yards and it is literally like a Spirit, Lowe's, all of that gone crazy. It is absolutely amazing. They do raise money for a non-profit lost dog search called Billy's Posse, so be sure to donate. They are running it Monday through Sunday, so every single day, obviously weather permitting, and it will be available typically from 5 p.m. till 9. I'll put a link down below so you can take a look at more information. It is free and it is a ton of fun. Enjoy!
Forever adding souls and skulls to my collection. As
Mommy, no.
Wait, is it immortalized smell? Please come closer and let me get a good look at you. Ow! Ow, dear, what's happened to your face? If you'd like, I could turn you into a toad. It would be a definite upgrade, I think.
Halloween and the skies look downright gloomy. But nothing will keep me from flying my broom. All right, Whiskers, buckle up. It's time to fly away!
to pick with you. You and your friends need to stop trespassing, or else this cold sharp blade will wreak more than just my the teabag, baby. I love Halloween. Come on, it's your time to dance with me. I love fun and games. Do you want to play? Let's play this one for
I won't hurt you much. Bite. You know you won't.
Go ahead and shoot. I'll be back. I always come back. You know what I love about rotting flowers you find on a grave? They're free! They sure are pretty.
It's the perfect night for some serious pranks. Hey, Candy, hold up your quiet down. Don't make me whack you again.
I see you! You can't escape my gaze, so why don't you come a little closer and let's play it?
Johnny doesn't like it when she doesn't get her way.
Look at me, just as all the others. Now that I have you, your soul will be mine forever! What'd you say? Trick or treat? Only tricks and these games of feet are done here. Use the hammer to test your strength. See if you can ring the bell.
The harvest moon lights the blackened sky. Dark creatures wander in the pale moonlight, searching for new
Embrace the mysterious ambiance and let the spirit guide your way. of the night, heed my warnings. What you may experience here will be burned into your memory for eternity. Pass these graves with caution, as the horrors beyond this point are born of mischief, and you do not want to be their friend.
I have a ton of Halloween stuff coming, so be sure to go ahead and like this video and then share it out to your Halloween loving friends. And then don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to see you back again soon. Take care, everybody. Happy Halloween.